It's a 2020 Audi SQ5. Imbued and shaped by power, this SQ5 gives you an SUV that's truly a sports utility vehicle. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, external memory control, front heated sports seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.